Hi everyone, today I want to explain you or show you the important habit in young girls because I choose two specific habits because I have two beautiful kids, and today I want to show why is the important this habit in their life. Sleep well. You can see two basic words. Sometimes the people believe that sleep is a rule, is a routine, any things that people may be doing all the time, but it's not true because sleep is very important and well is really very important. Sleep is essential. It's essential, it's important to their bodies, and is vital to maintaining good mental and physical health, right? Sometimes the people believe that it's simple, but it's a error because the people younger have an special characteristic that they need understand, right? They need believe that important is create this habit in their life. The expert believe that the best place for sleeping is a comfort bed, right? I believe that is true totally because the younger spend a lot of energy all the time, every day, because sometimes maybe they can studying, maybe they are in the school, maybe they are in university, maybe they are practicing an sport or any activity, but the expert believe that it's very important that have a bed with essential conditions for sleep very well. Time to sleep. Maybe some people believe that sleep 2, 4, 5, 10 hours is good, is enough, but maybe it's not true all the time because how many hours of sleep need younger kids and teenagers? Children's experts believe that 10 hours is important for their bodies, and the teenagers 8 hours because in this time their body recharged their energy and change, and they can't start again every day. Um, what is the principal benefit for youngers? Why is important understand why is necessary see the principal benefits in their lives? Number one, the experts believe that improve concentration and productivity because in their activities spend energy and sometimes lost concentration, or maybe they can't be productivity for sleep bad. The second option is sleep helps reduce stress. The younger had stress had stress all the time is not the same maybe how the adult, but The homeworks, the responsibilities, the tests sometimes can create a little stress in your lives. Sleep helps keep your brain healthy is the three um, topic or three principal benefit. The brain all the time is working, working, working. For the reason they need sleep very well because the brain sometimes is tired and it's normal because all the day or every day they are thinking, they are planning, they are making different things. The fourth option or the fourth principal benefit is sleep can make you smarter. It's really important because sometimes the parents believe or sometimes ask why is the reason or my son or my kids um, are not good students. Maybe they can believe that is for capacity or maybe is or anything or other reason. Maybe my children or my kids don't have looking anything, but it's not true. The principal reason uh, for bad result in the school is for doesn't sleep very well, right? In this case, sleep is important because develop their capacities, their things, and they can sleep very well, right? Develop their capacity, develop our skills, and practicing all the time with the best energy all the time. I want to show the sleep medicine, right? Uh, they work many years ago. They are expert in sleep medicine. I want to show you uh, what happened or what they believe about sleep in teenagers or in this case in students. They believe that poor sleep are prevalent university students and affecting their academic performance and functioning. Two students with bad sleep, sometimes lost grades in class, or maybe it's really common lost class such as math, reading and writing because their brain is not working well. Additional to college students with insomnia. Insomnia have significantly more mental health problems than college students without insomnia. College students with medical related majors are more likely to have poor quality or sleep in comparison to those with a humorous major. It's really important this point. And additional, they believe that the college students who pull and nighters are more likely to have a lower GPA. In this case, we can see the how the science um, create a specific topics or in specific themes about that important habit in their life. The people younger, the kids, the teenagers, um, have an essential have an essential um, role in this world. For the reason these organizations study all the time why the students in the future can't um, reach better results in their professions or their life, right? For this reason, today I wanted to show and teaching why important is create their habit in the life in their sons, in their younger, in your house. Uh, Thank you so much. I believe that is important for you learn this information and apply with your kids, with your teenagers. And thank you so much.